Hello everyone, Linya, and welcome to my channel. So today, this video we're going to unbox a Ryzen 5 1600. This is a bundle from the mobile motherboard or MOBO that I purchased. I already had a video about that. You can check that out. But this one is a unboxing of the Ryzen 5 AMD. It's a CPU from AMD. It's called Ryzen 5 1600. There's actually another version of this. This one has this one is only 1600. There's another one which has an X. It's more powerful than the 1600, but this one is way cheaper. And according to the reviews that I've read, they are like somehow, on par. So that's it. So let's start unboxing. Obvious advantages of Ryzen over Intel are the following. Ryzen offers 6 cores and 12 threads versus Intel's 4 cores and 4 threads, affordable than Intel. Zen processors use a 40 nanometer node on FinFET process, which are reportedly more energy efficient and execute significantly more instructions per cycle. Alright, so I hope you liked the video, the unboxing of the Ryzen 5 1600. So this is my CPU for my upcoming desktop project. So thank you for watching. Bye.